Snap this with me. Who can do it faster? I swear if I'm doing it on video, it's gonna fuck up. You can't make that shit up now. I do 100 of these in a fucking minute, but I try to do it on videos. We just can't do it. And my fingers leaking like a bitch. Alright, now let's do one. Look at this shit. There's always gonna be a fucked up spot, so I can't do it quick for y'all. That's all there is to it, my boy. If you ain't snapping pipe together with a quickness, what are you really doing? I'm telling you, if I try to do it on video, it's gonna be some bullshit. Look at that, boy. Pop it together. One click. Boop. Do the other way. See what I'm saying? I bet if I turn this camera off, every piece would snap. So quick. Look, they're not snapping straight. My fingers leaking. I mean, if I wasn't doing it on camera, I snapped 20 of them together in 8 minutes. I can't do shit on camera. Yeah, look. Work with your boy one time. And she's done. That's as simple as it should fucking be. As simple as it should fucking be. Shouldn't be all that bullshit. Here's of a camera. Look. One snap. And you start pulling them together.